Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Okoyeocha. I want to bring you advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis on the currency pairs, commodities, indices, cryptos, and so on, as I do always. Last training week is a good one. Though we have so many surprises. Not actually surprised because we know they're going to happen. There are so many news releases. And we know what news does in the market. News can push a market to the opposite direction, and after that, it comes to go to where it is going. Okay, let's start with DSY. Remember, if this is the first time you are watching my video, subscribe, like, and share. Be also informed that we have VIP group where we teach those who want to learn our strategy. We also have Telegram channels. All the links are at the description. Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, they are all free. You only pay if you want to learn. We also have links that you can use to open accounts on Bybit, Binance, and other cryptocurrencies. You click the link and open account. Very soon, we have to make a special focus on cryptos, because many people are showing interest to learn cryptos. Maybe by that time, we may discuss whether it will be entirely free or little more to be paid. But for now, want to get to know that I'm doing a free analysis. The analysis is a guide, and by the grace of God, 80% of the time or more, they are correct. I don't like the idea of sharing signal, because if I had stick with signal provider, I want to grow in knowledge. So I prefer to teach people so that they will do it on their own. As I'm doing it on my own now, it will be good if you do it on your own. So the idea of signal, I don't like it, but I used to share setups on my channel. 3 setups. I share setups for people freely. Okay, so let's go to DSY. DSY, you can see the market was going up until news release, and we see a move going down. Okay, now why am I showing you this? It's simple. The market is still going up. That's why I'm showing you this. You can see this is a corrective channel. This is A, and this is a little A, B, C, which is a big A, B. So if the market comes down to here, it will be C, and we continue going up. So even if DSY comes to 110, 109, even 108.8, 108, we are still going up. So the sell we witnessed yesterday is just a correction caused by news release. So don't be confused about what's happening. This is 4 hours time frame. You can see WXY. So now last week I said the Y might end here, or it will extend to this level. Now what happens is that the Y is likely going to be extended. The only thing that will make it not extend is if market opens tomorrow night and we see the price do something, we see price do something like this, I mean a sharp move, then forget about this. But if you see correction sideways, it will drop. After that, it will buy, just to guide you to trade successfully. Okay, USD. USD. What do we have there? I will not waste time on USD. I have always let you know that USD is opposite of DXY. So it's the same thing. If this Y is selling, USD will be buying. So we expect it to complete this move. This is wave 1, then this is wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. Then if price begin to go down from here, then the wave 2 might have ended here. So no need to waste time there. USD cards, the same news reaction made make the market go up to this level. Let me show you daily. On daily, we are expecting the market to go up a little bit, but before that, we might see the price drop because this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Then wave 4 is making an expanding flat, A, B, C. So wave 4, okay, wave 4 is making an expanding flat, so it will be gonna be somewhere here. So let's keep watching. Let's go back to 4 hours. So now what I'm trying to let's go that this wave 4 will be here and not this place. Even if it is here, it's system to know that we are still going up. All this move is correction. That's the message. The labeling is not so much important for those who understand the Elliott Wave. What matters is the being correct and where the market is going. So WSYXZ, we expect the market to at least to drop to this channel or to this reversal zone, and the buying will continue. So it will sell and it will still buy again. So that's all for USDCAD. USDCHF, we face the same scenario. Let's see, check daily. On daily, we expect the price to go down, but it seems you will still have some little move up. So let's go to 4 hours to know. Now 4 hours, all this move seems to be incomplete. So it seems we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. We're gonna get A, B, C, 4, and 5. So we are still expecting the price to buy, meaning the selling is not yet here. You know, for some moves now, USDCHF is making some complex move. So if you don't have experience to trade this, you better leave it alone and focus on other ones that are simpler, easier to trade. So now I cannot look for sell now unless I see something like this happening in this market, maybe a proper break of this channel. I may consider selling. If not on what I mean by proper break of this channel, maybe because why the market can break this and find support here and go up again. So you may forget this pair and focus on others. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. My bias is sell. I am selling this. To me, the selling is not yet over. You can see daily charts. This is wave 3, this is wave 4. So I am looking for 5 waves down. Okay, that's my bias on this. It is still selling until I see a reason to stop selling. For now, I am looking for the market to continue selling because this move here is corrective. So, for instance, what I can see here is that this is wave 1, wave 2 will be somewhere here. We get wave 3 somewhere here, wave 4, then wave 5 down there. After that, we might begin to see the market begin to buy a big time. For now, I expecting it to drop. AUDUSD. AUDUSD, what do we have? The same news disruption affected every trade. So the selling is not yet over. That's my message. The selling not yet over. Now, we have 2 issues here. One is this. One is this. This can be our A, our B, our C. Now, if the market doesn't go above this level, it means that this is wave one, this is wave two, and it's going to go down from here. But if it gave us a correction here, then it will certainly come to this level. So expect 0.670, 0.66 area before we get the selling we are expecting. If this WXY is going to play out, this WXY, if it's going to play out, it means the price will still come up before it will drop. But if you see the price dropping without coming up, it means that this ABC is enough of the correction, and we're going to go down from here. So expect another wave down, so that when we begin to buy, maybe throughout next year, we keep buying. Looking at the USD and the AUDUSD goes the same direction, though sometimes the pattern will not be one. I mean, the structure might differ, but if this one is buying, this one will be buying. So now, the price pattern on this is far better than AUDUSD. You can see the channel is okay. So now I can easily sell if the price comes up to this level and gives me a sell setup. I mean, don't just sell because it have touched the channel. You can be lucky. For instance, if you have sold here, you might be lucky. But we are not talking about luck. We are talking about knowledge. So if you have sold here, you would think that's how the market moves. Or if you bought here, you can be lucky. It may work for you for some times. But if you depend on that, you will harm your account. Please look for buy setup, sell setup. For instance, I cannot sell from here because there are no sell setup here. I can't buy here, no buy setup here. I'm looking to sell after the correction is over. All these things are correction. Once it is over, I will spot sell setup from here and I will sell. So if you're willing to know what sell setup is, you must join our class. We don't charge much. JP225. JP225, what do we have there? Last 2 weeks, I keep saying that the price is still selling. Let me show you daily once more. So daily, we have a structure that is not completed yet. You can see this with X, with Y is still dropping. So I'm still expecting a new low from here. I'm still expecting a new low from here, maybe even from this level. So I'm still expecting 24,000, around 24,000. So that's my bias. That's what I can see. If something happens and I know that it won't happen again, I'll update you. For now, I am selling this pair. I don't have reason to buy it now. All this buy we see here is likely a news reaction or simply wave two of a continuous move down. Okay, EURJPY. EURJPY, what do we have? Let me check the daily. Okay, it seems we are making a triangle here. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are still looking for a push up to complete the 50 wave. Let's see 4 hours. So 4 hours, we can see what we're looking for. The market may give us A, B, C, D, E. Then it will drop and go up. After that, it will drop finally. So this selling here might not be this selling here may not have started. From what we see on daily, we might still get a push up. But before then, we will likely see a price like this. We will likely see a move like this. This can be with A. This, we can still see something like this. This can be with A, with B, C, D, E. Sorry, the other way around. That is, with A will be here, with B the wave B might give us triangle. That is A, B, C, B, E. So we might get wave A here, wave B here, then wave C will drop to this level. After that, it will buy. Before now, it will sell. So this very position might not get to this level. It might just be an A, B, C, which you might see it terminate around here. Then it will go up and complete the fifth wave as we see it on daily before it will now begin to sell a heavy one. So see the daily again. You can see this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And wave 5 is not completed yet. You can see wave 1, 2, 3. This is likely A, B, C, 4. Then 5 will still drop somewhere up. So we expect the wave 5 to give us a new high. From what we are seeing now, that's what I'm expecting. If the structure changes, I will update you. But for now, the selling will be on lower time frame selling. So as you can see the 4 hours, we will likely see a price move up, drop, then it go up again. USDJPY. What do we have on USDJPY? The same structure. I didn't label EURJPY, but you see I labeled DSY because USDJPY because you can see this is wave A and A, B, C, D, E. To me, this is wave B. Unless price goes up and break this level, then I will change the account. But for now, this is wave A. But there's something you must know. According to the rule of Elliott Wave, to trade this, it will close below this level. Okay, for conservative traders. But those who are aggressive, we look for sell right from here. And sell setup have occurred here. But you must see it if you don't have the knowledge. Okay, it will drop, go up again before the heavy drop. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. The dropping is happening already. Let me see daily. It seems okay. 4 hours suggest that the price will drop further. For now, I can only see selling at least until you have a new low from this level. You can still buy again, but for now, it's dropping. Gold. Gold, what do we have on gold? Daily, not daily. Nothing much to show on daily. Let's go back to 4 hours. 4 hours, we have 2 things on 4 hours. From my own calculation, gold is still going down. Let not this very sharp move confuse you. Gold is still going down. The only way I can buy gold is if I see correction after this move, and it gives me an ABC, then I will now buy gold. But I think gold will turn back sharply and begin to go down. I will show you what I'm expecting on gold. I will show you, I think is on NASDAQ. I will show you what I'm expecting on gold. So this move, maybe it will turn back and begin to go down because I'm still expecting gold to complete the sequence downwards before buying. Buying is not yet started. The buying we have now is intraday scalping buying. Silver, what do you have on silver? The same scenario. So you can see this is wave 4. This is like an ABC. So silver, we also have 2 things. At least silver can give us 5 waves down, 3 waves down. If the wave down is sharp, then expect a deeper one. If it is corrective, then expect the price to begin to go up. If it is corrective, I will change the account. Then it will like give us 5 waves impulse. But from what I'm looking at, there's no 5 waves. This move is corrective in nature. So because it is corrective in nature, I'm not looking for 5 waves for now. Rather, I'm looking for either a positive move down or correction. So it calls for caution. Platinum. What do we have? We have a nice channel. I can't explain this, but it's a nice channel. What am I expecting on platinum? A little drop down or even a fast one to this channel. After that, the market will complete a structure. From here, I will look for sell. The selling will be heavy if what I'm looking out, if what I'm forecasting is what is happening. If it's that, expect a heavy drop from this level. Okay, it will be a heavy drop. Okay, so even if price comes to 1,000, 1,010, not yet for sale. Though you can, sorry, not yet for buy. If you can buy, watch out for, if you get a nice correction from here, then you can now buy. But for now, wait for sell. US oil. US oil, what do you have on US oil? Last week I tell you that US oil, I don't, from my own opinion, that we are still looking for 5 ways to complete. That this is 1, 2, 3 to me. So I cannot see this as an ABC. So for that, the wave 4 go very deep down. It go very deep. Yet I don't see this to sell oil. So I keep buying oil. You can see oil is going up, 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 and up. So now oil is approaching 100 again. So it's left for you. If you see a pattern you like, creative pattern, you can now buy oil. I favor buy on oil. Now, NASDAQ. NASDAQ, what do you have on NASDAQ? Now, I told you something I saw on W25. I'll show you on NASDAQ. See, NASDAQ, when this sharp move happened, when we get this, when we get this sudden sharp move, okay, I was expecting an A, B, C to drop. Then this sharp move happened, and I said that because this the pattern going down, the sequence is not complete, that I said expecting it to drop, and it keeps dropping and dropping. It will continue to drop because what I can see is a new low. The price is going to break this level, so maybe that's when we are going to complete the selling. Maybe somewhere here, or maybe it will still go somehow lower. After that, we get to level 4. After that, level 5. So for now, NASDAQ US 100 is still selling. That's what I see here is selling. I haven't seen anything to buy. If you have anything to buy, you can buy. For me, I have no reason to buy NASDAQ for now. Okay, that will be the end of our video. I would like to do a separate video on coins. So those who don't like trading other pairs, we focus on their cryptos. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe, share, ask questions, make a comment, join our Telegram channel. We have 2 channels on Telegram. You can join freely. Then if you want to learn how we do what we are doing, you pay little money. I don't charge you much. And right now, I still have time to train you. I can give you attention, one-on-one videos. You ask the questions, I explain to you because now I have the time. Okay. by the time we don't have the time, maybe it may be difficult because right now I still have only few students. So you have an advantage joining my class because I have time for you now. Thank you very much, and God bless you.